your pen out of the refrigerator at least 30 minutes before and allow it to reach room temperature. Always check the label for the correct strength and expiry date. Wash your hands properly before using the pen. Look at the solution through the pen window. Do not use it if it is cloudy, colored, or contains particles. Inside the cartridge are two key components, a plunger and a rubber stopper. To initiate dosing, rotate the dose button knob. Repeat the process. You could see plunger coming out. Repeat the process till plunger touches the cartridge rubber stopper. If plunger is not touching the cartridge rubber stopper, then rotate the pen slightly and push the knob to make them touch. Before dosing, ensure the rotating dose counter is set to 0. Always use a new sterile needle for each injection. Remove the protective seal from the needle. Keep the needle straight and screw it onto the pen. Do not over-tighten. Remove the outer needle cap and keep it aside for later. Remove the inner needle cap and discard it. Handle needles carefully to prevent injury. Before using a new pen for the first time, check the flow. Before your first injection with a new pen, turn the dose selector to the flow check symbol. Hold the pen with the needle pointing upward. Press and hold the dose button until the dose counter returns to 0. A drop of liquid should appear at the needle tip. If there is still no drop, change the needle and repeat the test. Do not use the pen if no drop appears. Make sure a needle is attached. Turn the dose selector until the dose counter stops and shows your prescribed dose in the dose window. If you turn past your dose, you can turn the selector back. Choose and prepare an injection site as advised by your healthcare provider. You may inject into the stomach, thigh, or upper arm. If choosing the stomach, select an area at least 2 inches away from the navel. Place your thumb on the dose button. Press the button slowly all the way in and hold it. When the dose window shows 0, continue holding the button. Count slowly 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This makes sure you receive your full dose. Release the button and remove the needle from your skin. Remove the needle by carefully placing the outer needle cap onto the needle and dispose of safely. Put the pen cap back on. After first use, store the pen at a temperature not exceeding 30 degrees Celsius or in the refrigerator between 2 and 8 degrees Celsius, ready for your next injection. After all the doses are completed, discard off the pen.